A CPU has 32 KB direct mapped cache with 128 byte block size. Suppose A is a two-dimensional array of size 512 by 512 with elements that occupy 8 bytes each. Consider the code segment for I is equal to 0, I less than 512, I plus plus. For j is equal to 0, j less than 512, j plus plus. X is equal to x plus aij. So assuming that the array is stored in this order, A00, then A01 and then A02, what will be the number of cache misses? So we know that the block size is 128 bytes and each element over here in this array, so this array A, which is comprising of 512 into 512 elements, each element is occupying 8 bytes. So number of elements which can be stored in one block size is 128 bytes. Each element occupies 8 bytes. So in each block we can store 16 elements. Now these elements, if you see, they are stored in this order: A00, then A01, then A02. That means in row major order they are being stored. What is row major order? So if this is the array, this is A00, then this is A01, then A02, A03 and so on. So first the elements of the 16 elements of first row, then the next 16 elements of this row and so on. So they are being stored in row major order. Now after the first element A00, when it is being accessed, so if you see the code over here, for I is equal to 0, I less than 512. That means this code is accessing each row, and then for j is equal to 0, then within each row it is accessing a particular column and the elements are being processed, and after that processing they are being stored back into the same position. So if the elements are being accessed in row major order, that means first A00 will be accessed. So this will be a miss because right now the array is in the main memory. Now when this is the in a miss, this whole cache block, the whole memory block will be picked up and brought into the cache. Now this block, since the block size in main memory and the cache are the same, this block would be containing 16 elements. So 16 elements from A00 to A015, they will be brought into the cache and placed in one of the cache blocks. Okay, so if the first element is a miss, that means the next 15 elements will be a hit, because now that whole block of 16 elements has been brought. Now in each row, so how many times there will be misses in each row? In each row there are 512 columns, and after every 16 elements there is a miss. So in each row we are accessing 512 columns. So number of misses in each row would be 512 divided by 16, because after every 16 elements there will be a miss. So this gives us 32 misses in one row. And how many rows are there total in the array? There are 512 rows. So for 512 rows, the number of misses will be 512 into the number of misses in each row, 512 into 32. So this will give us 16384. So this is going to be the number of misses total in accessing this array.